Hi, I'm Grace, and this is the new collection of limited edition modern classics from Triumph. 8 stunning modern classic motorcycles, each with a striking colour scheme that showcases a unique handcrafted paint finish. These spectacular new designs have a dark and dramatic aesthetic that suits these bikes so well and layers on rich colour with tank designs that transition seamlessly from dark tinted graphite to vibrant candy tones, with a deep finish that's intensified and accentuated by changing light conditions, enhancing timeless design DNA with a contemporary twist. And because the entire paint process is completed by hand, no two motorcycles are the same, each with a truly unique finish. With a premium paint effect more typically associated with custom motorcycles, this incredible collection is made possible thanks to an innovative and intricate painting technique developed and refined by Triumph's world-class paint team at their Hinckley headquarters. The beautifully crafted multi-step process begins with a mirror finish silver base coat, followed by a second layer that transforms the tank with a dark to light graphite fade. Finally, the lacquer top coat is tinted with vibrant candy colour and applied in multiple layers to gradually build a deep finish that adds a rich, translucent tone. It's a truly stunning effect that really has to be seen to be appreciated. So let's take a closer look at each of the modern classics models in the Triumph Stealth Editions range. Starting with the original custom icon, the brutally beautiful Bonneville Bobber Purple Stealth Edition. A firm favourite among custom bike builders and muscle bike fans, the Bobber is well equipped with high specification components like twin Brembo front brakes, and of course features that raw, high-torque 1200cc twin engine with its hot rod exhaust sound. The deep purple stealth theme accentuates the Bobber's muscular, stripped-back style and brooding good looks to produce a unique look and a class-leading finish deserving of such a cool motorcycle. And remember, this limited edition machine is available for just 1 year, so head-turning exclusivity is guaranteed. Next, oozing laid-back style is the Bonneville Speedmaster Red Stealth Edition. Powered by the same latest generation high-torque 1200cc Bonneville twin engine and built to a premium specification for a comfortable and easy handling ride, the Speedmaster's classic custom attitude and relaxed cruiser riding position has won fans from all over the world. And with this gorgeous red stealth tank set off beautifully against the trademark black powder-coated cylinder heads and premium metal badges, this Triumph Stealth Edition is effortlessly sophisticated. Next, 2 icons of British motorcycling with their original silhouette and all of the timeless style of the legendary Bonneville. The Bonneville T100 and T120 Blue Stealth Editions are packed with personality and offer easy, intuitive handling and a high level of modern specification. The T100 delivers punchy and rewarding power from its characterful 900cc twin, while the T120 takes performance up a notch with the instant responses of the larger 1200cc high-torque Bonneville twin. And with 2 beautiful candy blue tank designs, these two deliver a whole new custom-inspired look, making them really something quite special. The Bonneville T120 Black Silver Stealth Edition features the same iconic profile, torque-rich 1200cc twin, high specification and class-leading finish as the standard T120, with a meaner and moodier look thanks to its blacked-out exhaust, wheel rims and styling details. And as you can see, the stunning matte paint finish on this tank really complements the bike's sophisticated style. Simply stunning, I'm sure you'll agree. And it's not just the Bonnevilles that have received the stunning stealth treatment, with motorcycles from the Speed family also available in the collection. There's the Speed Twin 900 Green Stealth Edition, Triumph's best-selling modern classic. This incredibly popular motorcycle has a devoted following, and it isn't hard to see why. Finished in this vivid green, the hand-finished tank is the perfect way to make a style statement. And this, the Speed Twin 1200, a bike that has also earned itself a reputation for its fine balance of power and handling, its 1200cc high-power Bonneville engine working in harmony with an agile chassis, high-specification suspension and brake components to deliver exhilarating performance. And like all Triumph modern classics, the Speed Twin 1200 is well equipped with sensitively integrated modern technology, adding to the riding experience without detracting from the bike's clean design. The tank on this Triumph Stealth Edition, with graphite fading to a bold red, accentuates the bike's sleek lines and brings a classy new look to an already handsome motorcycle. Last but by no means least is the Scrambler 900 Orange Stealth Edition. With its rugged attitude, easy accessible ride and rewarding 900cc twin engine with an unmistakable Scrambler sound from those twin silencers, it's incredible on the road and even more fun off it. And this eye-catching deep orange colour suits the bike beautifully, perfectly complementing the high-quality materials and finishes elsewhere on the bike, like the black engine casing, finned cylinder head and brushed aluminium details. And do you know what? This one might just be my favourite. So there you have it, the Triumph Stealth Editions, 8 new limited edition custom inspired motorcycles showcasing dramatic and unique handcrafted paint finishes, all of which add a new contemporary twist to Triumph's iconic design DNA, and all available for 1 year only.